how would you boys like to make some money? Now, you look after Robbie for me, and I'm going to have some lunch, and I'll give you boys £1.
Go on, Danny. We've always wanted £1. And a dog. It'll be fun.
50p. Each. Final offer.
Deal. Right, I'll see you boys in an hour.
It's time for Danny Doggy Daycare. We've just got to make sure Sharon never finds out.
Danny, Mick.
What are you up to? Nothing. As usual. You know, I'm fed up with you two lazing about.
It's no laughing matter, Danny.
I'm sick of it, which is why I've got a job for the pair of you. As you know, I set up a new laundry service, but people keep leaving their dirty towels all over the place. It's not funny, Danny. It makes the place look messy. So, I need you to go and collect them from all round the centre. Put them in that so the laundry can collect them this afternoon. Danny, you feeling okay?
Never better. I just love dirty towels.
Takes all sorts, I suppose. Now skip to it.
What about Robbie?
You'll have to come with us. Come on, Robbie!
Lovely day for it.
Any chance of pudding?
No, Robbie. We're collecting towels, hot balls. And I thought dogs were supposed to be clever.
Danny, Mick, how are you two getting on?